everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and yes, I'm back again with one of my money rituals. Now listen, today we're going to discuss cinnamon and sea salt and how you can combine the two to basically manifest or attract money into your life. So if you want to know the benefits of cinnamon and sea salt and how you can use it as a ritual to bring in that money energy, I want you to keep watching this video. But before we get started, if you're new to this channel, this is the metaphysical law of attraction channel that gives all types of manifesting techniques. It doesn't matter if we're talking about cinnamon, sea salt, bay leaves, affirmations, scripting, prayer work, everything is right here on one channel. So the only thing I'm asking for you to do is to like, subscribe, tap the bell, you guys, but most of all, just keep visiting and watching the videos. Now, if you want to know the benefits and how to use cinnamon and sea salt in a ritual to attract money, keep watching. I'm back. Like, wow, this is one of my favorite topics to talk about, using herbal magic to basically manifest or bring in whatever it is you want in your life. This is all part of feng shui, everyone, okay? So now, let's first talk about cinnamon and sea salt and the benefits of them concerning spirituality or bringing in that money, okay? Cinnamon is known in feng shui as an attractor of abundance, okay? Specifically, money. Now, cinnamon could be used in many different ways. It could be used as powder. It could be used as cinnamon sticks, cinnamon chips. It could be cinnamon incense. Whatever it is you're using, just know, just having cinnamon around you is going to help change that money energy to bring in abundance. Now, what about sea salt? Sea salt is another money attractor, abundance attractor. And I want to explain this a little bit to you so you understand why. Never do something unless you know the why. Sea salt not only is something to bring in abundance, but how it does it is that it cleanses the area. It is a protector, okay? So not only do it bring in abundance, but it clears out whatever negative energy that could be around you. Now, the first ritual that I want to show you is very simple, and that is just keeping cinnamon and sea salt near your money. So in here, I have my money in my wallet, okay? In this section, I might not use cinnamon powder at this stage. Why? Because cinnamon powder is going to stain your money. It might stain your wallet. So at this point, I would probably use a cinnamon stick, everyone. So now, how would you use this in your wallet? I would take a cinnamon stick, cinnamon chip, and if you don't mind sprinkling a little bit of cinnamon in your wallet, you go right ahead and you do that. I would place it right near my money, okay? Now, the other thing you can do, because you want to protect everything inside of your wallet, you might want to sprinkle a couple of sprinkles of sea salt in your wallet. Okay? And it's just that simple. Now, let me give you what makes this even more powerful. As you're doing this, you can say or chant a little prayer, however you want to do it, stating what it is your intent is while you're doing this. So you can say something like, as I sprinkle this cinnamon and sea salt in my wallet, I am blessing my wallet for prosperity. I am blessing my wallet for protection. Anything that goes in this wallet is now protected and magnified to bring in more of what it represents. Okay? Just as simple as something like that. And then you can sprinkle the cinnamon and the sea salt or place the cinnamon stick in your wallet. Now, as a tip, because you guys know I love giving tips, you can actually take a piece of cinnamon stick, sprinkle it with a little bit of water, and roll it in the sea salt, everyone. And then place it in your wallet near your money. Again, the whole thing is setting the intent while you're doing this, okay? And this is one powerful way of attracting abundance to you using cinnamon and sea salt. Now, the next ritual is very simple, and the only thing you're going to need is a little bag. It could be any type of bag that you have in your home. For me, I use the sachet bags, and I prefer to use green, white, whatever it is that I have. And you're going to need some form of money. Now, here I'm using a dollar bill, and this is all I'm asking you to use. If whatever form of money that you have. It could be coins, whatever it is. But I prefer to use dollar paper money, okay? So you're going to take this, and you're going to put it in the bag, okay? And then you're going to sprinkle some cinnamon in the bag, some sea salt, again, to bring in more abundance, at the same time to cleanse the area where the money is, and basically set the intent again for what it is that you want. Now, if you don't want to make a mess with the cinnamon powder, again, you could use the cinnamon stick and the sea salt, using some of the things that I told you in the previous ritual. Now, the next thing is I'm going to give you some more tips. What else can you put in this bag? You can absolutely put other items in the bag that is going to represent abundance. That could be a bay leaf, you guys. And on the bay leaf, you can actually write what it is you're trying to attract. You could say a lot of money, $50,000, $20,000, whatever it is you're trying to attract, you can write it on the bay leaf and then place it in there as a symbol of what it is that you're trying to attract. Another thing you can do, you can write what you want on a small piece of paper and fold it up towards you, because you want something to come towards you, and you can place that in the bag. Now, other things you can place in this bag, it could be a pyrite crystal, a citrine, a green aventurine, a jade, a red jasper. Any of these stones represents attracting money, and you are welcome to put one or two small stones in this bag. Now, once you do this, what are you going to do with this? You're going to carry it around with you. For the women, you can place it in your purse. Some people like to place it in their pocket. You can also place this in your wallet near your money. Okay, so that's why you don't want the stones to be too big. Now, the next ritual is very simple, and it involves using a candle. For those people that love burning a candle, you can use a 50-cent candle. You can use a candle that's already programmed for success and prosperity or wealth, okay? These are Lelokin's A-Winds, and they are already programmed for attracting abundance, attracting money. So you can get these by using the link in the description. It will take you right to the shop where you can purchase these. Other than that, you can just use a plain 50-cent green candle, orange candle, okay, brown candle, whatever represents money. And again, if you don't have this, you are welcome to use a white candle. The first thing you're going to do is cleanse your candle. For me, I use Florida water to cleanse my candle. Now, the next thing it is, you're going to program the candle. You're going to hold the candle in your non-dominant hand, the hand you do not write with, and you're going to pray over it. You're going to say whatever it is you're trying to bring into your life. Now, as a tip, because you guys know I just love giving extra tips, you can absolutely hold a form of money, your money, in your hand as you hold the candle. Now listen, if you're using cards, you can hold a card in your hand, but it has to be your form of money. Now you don't have to do this. Just holding the candle in your hand is enough. And you're going to set the intent again for what it is you want, as if it is already done. So usually I say the thank you. Thank you for blessing me with $50,000. Thank you, God, for blessing me with abundance, with whatever it is, multiplying my money, whatever it is you want. Now, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to roll the candle on some type of oil, a money attracting oil. You can use money drawing oil, prosperity oil, magnet oil, whatever it is you have in your home. Now, if you don't have any of these oils, please look in the description. The link is there, and you can go and buy these type of oils. Other than that, you can use olive oil, whatever it is you have in your home, okay? And you're going to put a little bit of oil on your hands. Okay, I'm just giving you an example. And you're going to roll it on the candle, okay? And as you roll it on the candle, again, you're setting the intent for whatever it is that you want. Now, what are you going to do after you anointed the candle with the oil? You're going to lightly roll it in the cinnamon. So now, not only do you have a green candle or a candle with color or a white candle that's programmed to bring in abundance, but now you have rolled it in cinnamon using the feng shui method to absolutely attract money in your life. Now, from there, you're going to light a little bit of the bottom, okay? And then you're going to stick it in whatever it is you're going to be using to burn it in. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take the sea salt and you're going to sprinkle sea salt around the candle. So if it's on a plate, you can sprinkle the sea salt around the candle on the plate. If it's in something that's small like this, you can sprinkle it around the candle if you can, or around the area where the candle is going to be burning. It is just that simple. So now, not only do you have something that's bringing in abundance, but you're also protecting the whole area with the sea salt. Now, to add a little bonus to this, you can place things under the candle that represents whatever it is that you want. Again, we do not burn candles and leave it alone, people, okay? So you can place fake money under the candle as a symbol of bringing in abundance. You can place a dollar bill under the candle, absolutely representing the money. So these are the things you can do. And then while this candle is burning, you can do affirmations, scripting, you can do prayer work, whatever it is to set the intent for whatever it is that you want. Now, the next ritual is something simple, and it involves using a dollar bill, cinnamon, and sea salt. Now, the only thing you're going to need for this one is a little bit of water. Now, what we're going to do here, we're going to wet the money lightly, okay? And inside, we're going to sprinkle some cinnamon and some sea salt coming towards you. And then you're going to fold the money up towards you. Turn it, fold it towards you. Turn it, fold it towards you. Now you have a damp piece of paper, which is money, with cinnamon and sea salt in it. So I'm asking you to use just $1 or whatever else you have to represent money. Now, again, you can use fake money because it is the symbol that we are using, okay? And then what are you going to do with this? You can put it in a money bag. You can put it in your wallet. Whatever it is you want to do with it. Okay, everyone. This is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and I just showed you how to use cinnamon and sea salt to attract money using the feng shui method. Now, listen, if you like this video, please support us by liking, subscribing, tapping the bell, but most of all, just keep watching the videos. Hey, look, if you didn't know, we have membership. If you want to support this channel even more, we do have membership, and the only thing you have to do is click the join button. Other than that, we are here every single Sunday morning. Come join us live and join like-minded people from all over the world. Again, if you want to buy any of these things that I have mentioned in this video, please look in the description, go to the shop, everything is there, and namaste.